In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Gmail. Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the Compose button in the top left corner of the screen to open a new message window. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field, type your subject line, and draft your email message just like you normally would. Review your content to make sure everything's correct before scheduling it. When you're ready, look at the blue Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Click the small down arrow directly to the right of the Send button. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, click Schedule Send. You'll see a list of suggested times, such as tomorrow morning or other recommended options based on your time zone. If one of these works for you, simply click it. If you want a custom date and time, click Pick Date and Time. A calendar will appear. Choose your desired date from the calendar, then type in the specific time in the text field provided. After selecting your preferred date and time, click the blue Schedule Send button to confirm. Your email will now be placed in the scheduled queue and automatically sent at the time you selected. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.